Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I tried this once before. And I failed.
Go!
Miserably. And so I'm back again. And this is just a horrible show. Yeah, check this out. I already lost. Yeah.
Booster ready.
Go time!
I know.
Extra move. Booster ready.
I doubt it's even the best booster.
Ready, go!
Extra move. Booster ready.
Ready, go!
What the heck just happened?
Extra move.
I've never seen that happen before.
Booster ready.
What, a pop-up thing in the middle of a game? Huh. Well, should I do this? I'm doing it.
Extra move.
Go time!
Booster ready.
Ready, go!
Extra move. Booster ready.
Go time!
Ooh, wee. Baby. It's for all the pretty girls in the world. Whatever. Just really pretty and
Booster
wet, baby.
ready.
Go time!
Extra move. Booster ready.
Ready, go!
Oh, wow. It did me good for a little bit, it didn't make me lose anywhere. That's why this really boom. That's about a waste of a booster. I don't even know if it should be considered a legendary. Seems like a triple diamond to me.
Booster ready.
Ready, boom!
Now, I'm definitely gonna need a few extra moves. Like recharge my booster.
Booster ready.
Go time!
Oh, at least twice.
Extra move.
There's one.
Booster
Yeah,
ready.
definitely at least one more time, probably two more times, right? So.
Go time!
Booster ready.
Alright, it's big. I'm gonna need something big here.
Ready, go!
Alright, they said close my booster. Here we go, that's what I need.
Extra move.
Alright, now I got it.
Booster ready.
Ready, boom!
Yeah, I got it.
Extra move.
And I haven't had to use a quick right
Booster ready.
I still got it.
Go time!
I still do not rate this Billy Boom Boom too high on my booster truck yet. And not even powered up.
Booster ready. Extra move.
Ready, boom!
Extra move.
And there
Booster
you go.
ready.
Go time!
There you go, Pretty Joe. You know, I don't think I've ever even been shopped at a Trader Joe's. I don't think I have. I think they donated a lot of food to the soup kitchen I worked at. I helped at. But I never shopped there. I never lived near one. They tell me it's good though. They got good deals. Oop! I want to mix me out. Woo! I might not even finish that owl. I don't think I'm going to. They're giving me all the duplicates. Well, thank you. It's stuck.